Wow, y'all. I have seen thousands of RVs in my lifetime, and this is the first time ever that I have seen a Newell Motorcoach. And this is truly unlike anything else that I have ever seen by about 100 miles. You got to see this. Let's go take a look. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. For y'all that are new here, my name is Myles with Firmly Unbound, and if you are a returning viewer, I am here at the Tampa RV show in Tampa, Florida. So yes, I drove all the way from Dallas, Texas to Tampa, Florida to show you some of the coolest RVs that are here at one of America's largest RV shows that happens every year in Tampa, Florida in January. And this here is a Newell Motorcoach, which is one of the absolute most spectacular RVs I have ever seen. See out the back here, the Newell logo there, and this is all matte on the outside, which I think looks really cool. Now, we've never seen anything like this on my channel before, so there's a couple things I want to ask you for. I don't like to ask for stuff often, but this is actually a really big thing that I'm excited about, that I kind of need your help. I want to film more stuff like this. I really want to be able to film more stuff like this for y'all, and for that to happen, I need your help. I need you to like this video. I need you to comment, let me know your thoughts, what you think, because we've never seen something like this on my channel before. The more engagement on this video, the more that will help me out, because I don't want it to be inauthentic. You know, if you guys just don't like this kind of content, you don't want to see stuff like this, then by all means, don't engage with this video too much. Don't share it with your friends. Don't repost it. Don't comment anything. But if you do like what you see from this video, please engage with it, hit the like button, comment down below what you think. I really want to know your thoughts, because I want to film more stuff like this. This stuff really makes me excited, but I need to show that, like, you guys want to see this stuff, because it doesn't matter what I want to see necessarily. It's more about what y'all want to see, and I need to know if y'all like this kind of stuff, if y'all want to see more of this. So let me know down below in the comments. Now, with Newell, everything they build is custom. So these aren't like floor plans here. So this is their 45-foot model, or frame, I guess you could say, chassis. And then this is their model 1,799. So this is just basically the 1,799th one that they built, because every single one that they build is going to be completely original and custom. So really nice. I love the slide outs on these Newell Motorcoaches, how they are all paint matched, and then they will sit perfectly flush with the sidewall when they'll slide in. Plus they will be seamless on the inside. So everything about it just looks amazing. This is a tag axle Class A diesel pusher, and it does have rear steering on it as well. And we're going to come up to this graphic right here so you can kind of see all the stuff that you need to know about a Newell Motorcoach here. This is going to give you a good breakdown, and I'll try to show this here without getting my shadow in the way too much. But you can pause the video there. You can read about the different stuff that is in this Newell Motorcoach. But if you are actually a prospective buyer for something like this Motorcoach here, definitely need to contact Newell. And actually there is a contact information here for Brian Pitts, their sales associate. Let me get it right there. Get his contact information on the screen, because they will help put together something for you that fits the exact design and aesthetic and everything that you are looking for in a motorhome. So as we walk inside here, we're going to go inside and take a look. Actually, let's walk around this side real quick and go to the other side real fast, just so you can get a good look at the front end and the back, or the non-camp side. Really clean. Again, the paint matching looks great, and this matte finish, in my opinion, I think looks really cool. But again, these are all things that can be designed any which way for the prospective buyers, or I guess the customer that is buying, for what they want. The lights up front look really nice as well. I would love to see how this thing looks driving down the road. And then of course the inside is just going to be absolutely immaculate. So we're going to wait for this thing to clear out, and then we'll go inside and take a look. Real quick, before we step inside of this RV, there's something that I'm really excited to talk to y'all about, and I actually want to ask you for a favor. So if you've been here for a while, you know that I pretty much never ask y'all of anything, but I'm going to right now, because I started my second YouTube channel, which is called Firmly Unbound. Firmly Unbound is the name of my company, and Firmly Unbound is an expression of exploration and freedom in work, play, and faith. And I'm really excited about what's to come on this YouTube channel. There's a link down below in the description of this video and in the comments as well, where you can subscribe to Firmly Unbound. And I pretty much spent the whole last month traveling dang near coast to coast across the United States to show you what it means to live firmly unbound. So some exciting video content is coming. Can't wait to see y'all there. All right, y'all. So as we come inside here, I'm not going to say too much because I just want to hear your thoughts. I want to give you a second to process everything and let me know what you think down below in the comments. Look at this, y'all. I'll go through and I'll tell you, some things about this motorhome and my thoughts and ideas here in a second, but I just want to give you a second to look and just take it all in. Because wow, I have never seen anything like this before. At least in person. I've seen videos of stuff like this before, but I've never seen it in person. I mean, the ceiling panel, oh my gosh, y'all, this is crazy. This is so next level. It is just unreal. Now with Newell, what you need to understand, everything they build is custom. They do not have any two RVs they built that are the same. Everything that they build is exactly what their client that ordered the RV wanted. So you can get a Newell coach exactly how you want it, anywhere from 39 to 45 feet in total length. It'll always be a tag axle motorhome, but you can design the space, the colors, everything in here exactly how you want it. So this customer here, this unit is already purchased, but this customer here went with a sofa here. Looks like it has recliner legs on it as well. Really nice look to it. I love the interior colors that they went with in the whole total look of the motorhome inside here. Really warm lighting. Feels very nice in here, but nice modern colors with that warm lighting. They went with a massive TV here. So instead of a window here, that is a huge TV. That looks like it's probably about a 65-inch screen TV. And they actually have a vertical TV here as well that will act as a monitor there, and TVs up front here too. And then you have your driver space here, digital screens there that they have all covered up. Really nice looking soft touch panels all the way around. So everything there looks really nice. The light fixtures in here are just incredible. This looks like these are speakers here. I didn't get the rundown on those, but those have got to be speakers, which you see more up here as well. There's 4 ACs on this coach. You don't see them, so they're up in the roof area, and then all of the air is going to be forced in ways that you don't see it. So it just gives it a nice, really clean finish to it. Of course, the lighting in here just looks incredible. All of the cabinetry and everything in here is just next level. And Newell builds everything themselves. So that's what allows them to be able to make these coaches however you want them. One thing that was a really cool detail, they have this little bourbon area here. These turntables are made from actual bourbon bottles, or like not the bottles, the bourbon wood castings, or wow, now the bourbon barrels. That's the word I was looking for, the barrels. These are made from actual bourbon barrels. So that is just the level and extent that they go to with the customization with these Newell coaches. Also have a nice little wine rack on this one as well. They went with a dining table here that has half a booth, half chairs, and then these cool, looks like these chairs here will swivel and rock there as well for additional seating. Then as you come back this way, this has an induction cooktop. So this here is actually also an induction cooktop, and I just saw them open this up. Let's see. Yeah, this drawer right here. So you can see the controls for it here, and then you just throw one of these down right there so it doesn't scratch up the countertop, and you have a cooktop right there. Now they don't want us opening up a lot of the drawers and cabinets, so I'm not going to do too much of that there. But you can see even just like how they got the microwave color match to the cabinetry. Looks really nice. All the cabinetry down here, really nice. Has like a snap close function to it. Has latches to keep them shut while you're going down the road. Huge sink that they have here, stainless steel faucet. And then the flooring here is so incredible. You can see where like the crack is for the slide out, but it just sits flush down in there. So all the flooring is consistent all the way throughout. It's not like the towable RVs that you typically see on my channel where there's like flaps over the lips of the slide out and stuff like that. It is like sits flush down in there, and all the flooring is exactly the same all the way throughout. As we keep going back this way, one of my favorite things about this high end of motor coaches is you start to see these refrigerators that look like they're a pantry. I love this. This is a monogram refrigerator and looks really cool. Then it's going to have a pull-out freezer drawer there, has an ice maker, and then also has another pull-out freezer function here as well. Just such a great color choice, in my opinion, by this client with the color cabinetry they went with the handles that they went with. I love the way it looks. This is going to be more additional storage back here, kind of like a pantry with adjustable shelving back through that space, and a couple drawers back beneath there. Plus you can see how the lights come on right away. when you open up that space. Now this is a bath and a half model, so this is the half bath here. You got your sink, and look at this sidewall, y'all. How cool is that? That is such a interesting, cool texture on there. It's literally three-dimensional. It sticks out off the wall. That is amazing, and that is real tile that they're using there. Wow, that looks incredible. And even just like the extra details, you got a vent fan here, but it has a tinted glass panel over it, gives it a better look. Mirrors on both sides of the bathroom, so you'll have storage on both sides there. Nice lighting in here, and then a nice big, pretty much residential size toilet in this area. But that wall there is such a statement. It looks so good. Then you go back to the bedroom, and when it comes to the bedroom space, I mean, there's just nothing else like stepping into this space when it comes to RVs. I mean, this is so incredible. Another huge TV here. This has got to be at least a 55-inch, if not a 65-inch screen TV right there. Again, speakers, I'm assuming, are what those are. The ceiling panels in here give this just such a good look, and the lighting is so on point. And then look at that, y'all. Just look at how incredible this bed setup looks. Oh my gosh, you are just really living in luxury traveling in something like this. This is really unbelievable. It's blowing my mind just how impressive it is to really be in this space. This is so cool. Looks like you got storage up above here, really nice lighting all the way around. Space to walk around both sides of the bed. It's really not tight on either side, so I love that. You got control panels here for your motorhome, and I'm sure this mattress is coming with pretty much whatever mattress you want, so you can get exactly what you want in that space. Love the lighting. You have your shades all the way around, so you do have windows there, but the shades go down. I'm sure they're all powered shades all throughout that space. Really nice actual, you know what? I don't know what this material is. This looks like a leather. I think this is actually some form of like a leather, it looks like, but really cool accent on that as well. All down that wall and down that wall, the LED lighting on both sides of those walls, just the extra little touches with the lighting is just unbelievable. Then you come back to the bathroom. Amazing how they laid that sink into the countertop. It actually goes down below the countertop level. Looks really good. Nice big mirror there. You can see the light fixtures up above. And then the faucet is built into the wall. So it looks really cool. Got your cabinetry here. Nice looking flooring. And then you have your washer dryer back in the corner there. You have some closet space back through there, your toilet back there. Look at the little pebbles on the floor back there as well. And then a nice big shower here in this space. They have it roped off, so I can't really walk back here, but you can see what that looks like. I mean, man, this is just, oh, it just really blows my mind. This thing is so incredible. It is so incredible. Wow. I think I have new aspirations for what I want in life and how I want to travel. But yeah, I'm very curious your thoughts. I mean, let me know what you think. And of course, this is, you know, completely custom made. So if you would like to see more videos of motorhomes like this from me in the future, because every Newell coach will be different, I would love to have the opportunity to film more of their products and get to know more about their product and see what kind of other designs they put out. If you would like that, make sure to comment below, make sure to like the video, and let me know that you would like to see more of this, because it's something I certainly would love to show you more of. So that is everything on the inside. Let me know your thoughts. Let's do a quick walk around the outside before we wrap up this video. So we're gonna come down here, come down the steps, and we're gonna go around the campsite here. So you can see how your door opens up here. It's gonna swing to the left, and then as we come along this side, on your campsite, it's gonna be mostly all, you know, things that you will use out in your campsite. So you can see you have a Dometic powered refrigerator and freezer here. And then this looks like an outdoor kitchen with a, looks like this is a cooktop down underneath here that you have there. And then you'll have your storage that goes all the way through. Pull out tray right here for some water, and then you have electrical components back through there. Another touchscreen control panel here. And then as you come around here, you're gonna have a Dragonfly lithium battery system. These are some huge Dragonfly batteries. I can't even see exactly, they go pretty far back there. I can't see exactly what batteries are on there, but definitely some huge batteries. On this one, you have a Michelin tire here. It's a 315/80R 22.5 tire. Again, this is a tag axle with the rear steering on it as well, allowing you to make tighter turns at slower speeds. So you'll have that rear turning there. Motor off the back, so it's going to have a Cummins diesel engine. It's called a diesel pusher because the engine is in the back of the RV. So you'll have that Cummins diesel engine back here. Most people will tow a vehicle off the back, so when you get to your campsite or wherever you're going, you'll be able to detach from your motorhome, leave your motorhome where it's at, and drive with your vehicle. Backup camera installed there, also going to act as like a security camera as well. And as you come around your non-campsite, you're going to have a lot of your other components that are practical for the RV that you don't need to like have out in the open. So things like your generator, water lines, dump valves, all that stuff will be on your non-campsite on these motor coaches. Also have your power cable coming out of this area right here. But I'm not going to go through and open up these doors here, although you can see just real quick that like they have a push button here that will pop them open. And then gosh, just the way these slide outs sit here. I wish I could show you what it looks like with the slides closed in, because they really sit flush against that wall where you almost, I mean, a person that doesn't know anything about RVs might not even be able to tell it has slide outs on it because of how well they sit in that space. So that is the outside of this Newell Motorcoach. Again, very curious your thoughts. Let me know what you think, and let me know if you'd like to see more content like this from my channel. And if it is something that you'd like to see more content of, I will certainly put in the work to make that happen for y'all. So let me know what you think down below in the comments. Again, we're here at the Tampa RV show in Florida. This happens every year in January, and it's a fun show to be at. I'm glad to be here for you. If you appreciate my efforts coming out here to show you this stuff, definitely make sure to hit the subscribe button, because there's gonna be a lot more video content coming from this show that I'm excited to show y'all. And that's all I got for y'all. So until next time, live firmly unbound.